In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. First of all, you can launch your keyboard, and if you have a suggestion strip enabled at the top of it, click on this gear icon right away. Then select text correction and manage all of those options however you want to. If you don't have it on though, you can go into Devices Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on System and Update at the bottom. Now hit Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, click on Text Correction here. Additionally, if you want to enable Suggestion Strip, use Gray Switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!